Me and Cody are going to be making a pressure bomb.
Alright, what you need is a bottle of water, some vinegar, baking soda, and a sandwich bag. You don't want a full bottle of water, so we're going to have to dump it out. You don't want any water in it. Alright. So we take the vinegar. I think the bee likes the vinegar. Open it up. Fill it to about there.
Okay, say where it is again.
Shoot.
Good. That's good.
To about there.
About right there of vinegar.
Alright. Get your sandwich bag. You can either pour the baking soda right there, or open the sandwich bag and pour it in it.
There's tape on that, so I'm gonna have to take the tape off. Here, let me try.
I got it. Take the baking soda. Open the bag up.
Now,
Put that much in.
let's see.
When it's all flattened out, it's about a
Okay.
centimeter. Make sure all the air's out of it. She's closed. And
Are we going to show them how you do it if you don't put it in there?
it doesn't work if you don't put it in there.
No, you don't. You said you could either put it on top of it or in it, right?
No, in the bag.
Oh.
Alright, so.
And then you just keep shaking it up.
I don't know if it's gonna work.
Here, I'll shake it for a little while.
Hardly.
Maybe you didn't put enough baking soda in it.
Maybe it's vinegar.
You need more vinegar?
Maybe a little more than that. Maybe a little more baking soda.
Oh, dude, I gotta see this.
Oh, it's already hard as a rock. Feel it.
Oh, yeah. And then you just throw it up.
That one didn't work.
Oh, that one didn't work. Cody, let me try now. Let me try. Oh! Ha ha ha. We gotta clean this up now. Okay, well, see ya.